We are learning about FlexBox. This is the best tutorial in the entire world for knowing how to build web pages and understand FlexBox. And I am excited you are here. My name is James Bond, and I used to work in England, but now I'm doing this. If you want to take this whole course, go to Greater Commons, and it's right here. Right here, HTML, CSS. It's amazing. It's awesome. Everything all laid out, clear. Now, we are going to continue to play FlexBox. We had container, Flex Container, which was our main, and it had one item in it. We are now going to put 3 items in it. What does that look like? What's that look like? What does that look like? What we have here is what that looks like. You got 3 divs on the page and they are all centered. And we could also do flex end. We learned this in the previous video. Oops. We learned this in the previous video. And flex start is the default for justify content. But now since we have multiple items, we could also maybe use some of these other choices. So we learned that when we work with FlexBox, we want to go to CSS Tricks FlexBox. I thought you were deaf. How can you hear my accent? Why are you smiling like you're laughing at me being funny? You got a little bit of hearing. That's cool. So we got justify content. We've done flex start, flex end, center. We can now do space between and space around and space evenly. Interesting. Let's try space between. Do you say deaf? Is that the right word? Is there another politically correct word? Space between, y'all. Isn't that nice? How many people are excited about this? Yeah. What about space around? It's just a different effect. Choose whichever one makes sense to you. It's different. Space around. Right? And then we also had, what? Space evenly. There's also space evenly, but we don't talk about that because it makes you slip on pool balls on top of pool tables when you're at a bar and drinking and people dare you to do something. No, that was a joke for my friend Henry. There we go. So that's doing stuff with justify content and multiple divs and using those other options. And now you've seen how justify content works. And I'm going to break this up into another video. This one's really short, but in the next video, I'm going to teach you the incredible importance. I want to see if I want to do that next. I just got to think about this for a second. Hold on. What I want to do next. Yeah, I'll do it in the next video. All right. See you in the next video. Hey, like this video and hit subscribe because that might help me retire if 1 billion of you do it.